Hello everybody, my name is Shivkanya. I welcome you to the fourth episode of the Spot the Error series. The previous episodes are given in the I button and in the description box. Please watch those videos. You will get a lot many tips and tricks of grammar and vocabulary to solve this kind of question which appears in almost all the examinations. Let's start with today's episode. The ways of communication has changed dramatically since the last century. The ways of communication is a main phrase in which the ways is the head word. It is a subject, it's a noun which is in a plural form. The plural noun is always followed by the plural verb. So it should be have. Always remember, have is for the plural nouns and has is always for the singular nouns. The second sentence. Gandhiji lived a noble life of fasting and poverty in order to work for peaceful and independence. Work for something is a phrase. This something should be in the form of noun. Peaceful is an adjective. The noun form is peace. So, to work for peace and independence is the correction. Error lies in section C. Sentence number 3. The first year of the child's life is characterized in rapid physical growth. The error lies in section C. It should be by. Why by? Because the given sentence is in the passive voice. Like for example, Ram ate a mango. This sentence is an active voice and the passive is a mango was eaten by Ram. In passive voice, there is always by plus the agent. In the same way, the rapid physical growth is an agent which is preceded by, not by in. The fourth sentence. Both the structure or the chemical composition of lamellae are complex, no error. Now always remember, both is coupled with and. Both is followed by and not by or. So it should be both the structure and the chemical composition. Like in the example, both Ram and Shyam are responsible for the incident. Both is followed by and. So the error lies in section B and here the error lies in section C. Sentence number 5. A ray of light passing through the center of a thin lens keep its original direction, no error. The first thing, the entire sentence is a scientific fact. When we talk about any scientific fact, it is always in the simple present tense. There is a complete lesson based on the simple present tense. The link is given in the I button and in the description box. Please watch it. You will get a detailed information about this simple present tense. Back to the sentence. As I told you, this sentence is a scientific fact. A ray of light is the main phrase. Passing through the center of a thin lens is an adjective clause. Keep it aside for the time being and focus on a ray of light, keep its original direction. A ray of light, in this phrase, a ray which is a subject or it is a noun, it is in a singular form. And we have seen in the simple present tense, when the singular noun is there, the following verb always takes the s or es suffix. A ray of light keeps its original direction. Like in the example, fire uses oxygen when it burns. Fire singular uses, it burns. In the same way, a ray of light, a ray keeps. So the error lies in D section. The next one, Louis Armstrong was one of the most influenced and respected of all jazz artists, no error. We are talking about Louis Armstrong and we have used two adjectives to describe him. One is influence and the other one is respected. However, influence is a noun form. We need to take the adjective form of influence, that is influential. Like in the example, he is the most influential person in our family. So it should be influential and not influence. So the error lies in section B. Now it's your turn. Laser beams can carry long distance signals in ways somewhat similar to radio waves, no error. You are going to write the answer of this question in the comment section. Before taking a leave, I'd like to suggest you, if you like this lesson, if you find it a little bit informative, please like, share and comment on the video. Please subscribe to the channel as well. As I told you earlier, the previous episodes of the same series can be seen on the same channel. The link is given in the description box. We'll be back very soon with one more new lesson. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep growing. Learn English with Shivkanya. Thank you for your time, love and support. Peace.